I want you to imagine, so you're gonna hurt your back because what's going on right now is when you're swinging, you're moving out the way. You're not moving with it, yeah? Okay. So when we're flowing, what we wanna do is, when we come over, look how I move out the way. What I'm not doing is tipping my back. If I do this, yeah? Bro, that hurts me, okay? That's just, you're gonna hurt yourself, yeah? Keep that nice and tight, okay? And we're turning our hip. Look at my oblique. My oblique here, yeah? Everything is in my hips. So I'm coming through hip. And I'm pulling with my lat. My bicep stays pinned to my ear. Here, pull. Here, pull. Relax. It has to be relaxed. If it's too tight, it will not work. Yeah? Let's try again.
Try with one arm or both?
No, both arms. Just remember, you're aiming for flow.
Okay.
And the predominant arm, if this is the side it's coming over, this is the side that has more grip. If this is the side it's coming over, because when it comes up this way, you're pulling, put your arm in the air. I'll show you the feeling. Okay, you're pulling here. And then bend your arm here.
Okay.
So it's coming round, here, here. You feel that stretch?
Okay.
Here, that's the pull.
Okay. And
up to you. Okay, so now all I want you to do is when you drop it, I want you to move a bit faster because you're in the way. Yeah? So you start here, it comes over the side. As it comes down, move this way. And you will feel it come up the other side. Move. Now relax, relax, relax. When it drops, let it drop. Let the arms just fall behind you, but keep your core tight. Okay, come a little bit higher with the pop. I want you to really exaggerate, and I want you to try and hit that light, and then as it hits the light, bring your hands to the back of your head and allow it to swing through. Okay, better, but you're still trying to control it. You're trying to muscle it, and it's not a muscling thing.
Okay.
You have to relax at the back of the swing and allow your core to do the work. Better. Now, aim for my hand, because you're still coming this way. Aim for my hand. Yes, okay. Now, when we come round this side, as it comes round, I want you to keep this bicep pinned to this ear as long as you can. So here, wait, 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 wait. When you see it here in the corner of your eye, pull, okay? Don't just bring this round, because this will fucking explode. The second you pick up one of the heavy ones, your fucking elbow will explode. No, same way. Go the same way. Wait there, wait. Aim for my hand. Okay, wait. You're going too fast. Let it swing. And at the highest point, when it's weightless in your hands, when you feel the weight go out of your hands, just before it comes back down, pull. Timing. Hand. Wait. More pace. Let it swing. Better, but let it swing.
So start by this?
Yeah, no, you can start by coming this way, hands to the back of the head, come this way, body in this direction, pull over, elbow to belly button. But keep this arm here, when it comes round, keep it, pull. Don't pull here, okay? Wait, pull. Okay, now hands lower. Exactly what you just did, hands behind the head. Okay, one thing to make it a tiny bit easier, create a frame, okay? So right now, you're coming out, and then you're doing, you see how my hand's on my head now? You're getting stuck here, yeah? So I want you to pop up, create a frame, and bring down, yeah? So just put your head through your hands, that's all you need to do. Up, 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 flow, flow, flow. Look, I'm relaxed. Look at my, if you look at my grip, wait. Okay, wait, let me get my pendulum. Okay, look, I can literally take my fingers off, and that's just my finger and my thumb, okay? I can flow with finger and thumb.
Okay,
there's no muscle, it's flow.
it's difficult to learn.
I know. Bro, this took me 6 years.
Okay.
This takes practice, man. You will not get this today.
Okay, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And for the first 2 weeks, it's gonna feel more painful than it does better.
Okay.
But then once you get the flow, you know, then it will all start to come together. But you just gotta stay consistent.
Okay, I'm walk this side.
Just do a couple more because I feel like you're very close on that swing.
Okay.
Just do a couple more this way.
Attends, je vais filmer aussi avec d'autres raquettes. Can I make a video me of both?
Yeah.
My phone?
Yeah, bro, yeah. Imagine there's a pencil in between your shoulder blades, okay? Keep that posture back. Just focus on keeping the posture back. So once we pop and release, as my hands are coming up, I'm moving watch my shoulders. I'm just bringing them back and I'm allowing all of my fucking abdomen to open and then I'm bracing through my core as I make the rotation. There's only 700 things to think about. Okay, now, you're closer to relaxing, but not quite, okay? When it comes up here, don't let this arm come down. Wait for it to get high and keep the bicep on the ear. So it wants to, as it comes, we pop, we drop. This arm is here now, yeah? As it comes round, don't try and pull it down here. Because now look, my gravity is nowhere near the stack of my body. So it's yes, okay, there. Now, feel this, feel this, feel this. No, wait, too soon, too soon. No, 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 too soon. Relax your grip, relax your grip, relax your, wait. Now this hand is now gonna come here. Yeah. And you're gonna turn to meet it. When it comes round, look, it wants to come here. Okay. Then you relax, let it swing, no, wait. Now pull, over. Better, now let it, you controlled it on the way down. Pop, swing, pull, yes. Nice,
like this?
Yeah. Now just keep doing that and it'll get higher and higher. Okay, now you're still controlling the swing. It will go much faster and easier if you relax on the swing.
But I'm more relaxed now than...
Much more relaxed. But you can still do more relaxing. Better. Wait. Okay, keep hold. Okay, I'm gonna drop this, yeah? And this is the way we're gonna go. 3, 2, put your hands at the back of your head. All right, 3, 2, 1. You feel the more momentum.
Yeah.
Pop high, left. No, high and out. Yes, much better. Now keep that bicep pinned, don't bring it in here. Here. Relax, let it swing. Much better. Okay? Now up and out, here. There, yes? Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. How easy did that feel?
Yeah?
Easy. So you understand that once you get the technique, it's easy.
Yeah.
And then you just build the integrity of the joint.
If you have the good techniques, you don't have to strong.
Nope.
Just...
It's core strong.
Yeah.
This is good for flow, but I want you to just hold this. Okay, so I want you to just, by the handle, because you just said you don't have to be strong, okay? So I want you to hold here and just hold. okay? Because from here, just try and hold.
Juste essayer de le tenir.
Hands together, hands together. There we go. Now just stand there. Just stand still. Do not swing it.
No.
Do not swing it. If you can see look how hard the body is working just to stand still, you know? Just to physically stand still. But yet people stand in the gym doing this shit and then wonder why they end up injured, stiff, immobile. You seen those videos where that girl goes up to men and says, "Do you think you can fight?" Have you seen them?
No, I don't think so.
Like this girl goes up to men in the street and goes, "Do you think you'd be able to handle yourself if a fight came your way?" And the guys always go, "Yeah," and she goes, "Right, 30 seconds, show me what you do." And it's all these guys like,
I never saw
they can't move for shit. There's like no motion at all, you know? It's like horrible to watch. And it's so embarrassing for the guy. And I'm like,
Yeah, but it's always like
yeah.
Maybe people don't do.
Huh?
Where you fix your eyes on the bar?
Relax.
Well, you're just asking why you have to.
I know, but there isn't an answer.
Yeah, okay.
There's no answer.
Y a pas de réponse, c'est juste. Voilà.
It sounds really cheesy, but you and this become one. Not two, one. So now, when I flow with Mace, most of the time, I shut my eyes. Watch out of it. 1%. Okay, so now I close. I already know where this is rolling, so I can come round and feel in my joints. I don't need to look at it anymore, okay? I can boom, yeah? And then you start to understand the dynamics of it, the weight of it, the distribution of it, how to catch it, where it goes, different ways of moving with it, through and through, up, round. We can come into walking lunges, round, flow, up, up, catch and move and float, yeah?
I like this approach of sports. It's very, very good to move right now.
Bro, movement is everything. Thank you, bro.